Lightbeam is a creative company primarily specializing in photography, cinematography, graphic designing, creative education, animation, and exhibition. Today marks the 1-year anniversary of establishing Lightbeam. The general idea of establishing Lightbeam started in the year 2018, when a group of aspiring individuals wanted to create a company that will specialize in bringing something new to the creative sector. Since then, Lightbeam went through many brainstorming sessions and improvisations. The company had its official release on 1st August 2020.
The pandemic which broke out last year left a huge scar around the globe, and thus creative sectors requiring public interaction suffered a huge wound to its very core. In this tough situation, Lightbeam planned to bring something new which would help in revitalizing the youth as well as the creative industry. Despite having difficulties with the social distancing policy, Lightbeam has made remarkable progress throughout the pandemic. Noteworthy signs of progress were observed in some sectors such as photography, cinematography, music video, cosplay community, and digital exhibition. Within our production and graphics team, we have reliable professionals who can provide a variety of services and assure quality in every aspect. Our production team consists of portrait, product, and event photographers as well as cinematographers who can assure the quality of our work. We also recruit enthusiastic and mature individuals who are ready to explore their full potentials. Let us look at some of their notable works.
Our graphics team has also marked their presence in Lightbeam by partnering up with various organizations and creating approachable outlooks for growing businesses. People from all walks of life were affected by the corona pandemic. As a production company, Lightbeam believes in lending people a helping hand during their tough times. As a result, we have collaborated with a number of organizations to contribute our skills to multiple charity projects with an ambition to inspire others to contribute to society however they can.
At this crucial time, exhibition galleries from all around the world could not organize exhibitions due to social distancing policy. Online and digital media have been playing a vital role in filling this gap. Lightbeam is one of the first companies to introduce the idea of an interactive exhibition in this country. We always thought that a digital exhibition was a project we might work on and something the community will appreciate. During this pandemic, we gave this idea a try, and by far, Lightbeam has sponsored more than 10 exhibitions for different youth and community organizations, gaining huge responses and a warm welcome from the community.
The motive of Lightbeam is pretty simple but important. Firstly, Lightbeam would love to provide aspiring individuals with everything they need to start their journey, from basic tips, guidelines, equipment to the very basics. Secondly, in spite of being an influential form of art, very few parents inspired their children to learn photography, cinematography, and many more. Lightbeam is determined to create a positive outlook towards these sectors. We are working to inspire the society to become creative and respect the creative community. Last but not least, Lightbeam is a group for individuals with a creative view of life. The reason why to this day Lightbeam is contributing to the creative sector is to make an identity for itself and create a path for other individuals to do so. From digital exhibitions to traditional forms of art, everything can have a huge impact on human society.
Keeping this in mind, we are delighted to announce that Lightbeam will open its very own creative exhibition center where amateur and professionals can showcase their work and discuss their form of arts.
Thank you for staying with us on our journey, and we sincerely hope to entertain you through our work.